the channel. This is a little bit of a long awaited one. As you can see, I'm currently now inside rather than my usual outside, and that's because I have a new workshop. Currently everything's a bit all over the place, but I'll give you a quick vague look around just so you have a rough idea of what's going on, and I will talk you through some of the projects we've got on the go at the moment. So at the moment we've got my Mazda CX-5, which, as you can see, there's plenty going on under here. We have got an engine under there. It's yeah, it's back together. We'll cover that at some point properly. Handful of the bikes. We've got a KTM RC390 over there, which is that one. We've got the 1983 Honda VT500e, and this is my mate's 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S, which all totally different bikes, but they're all pretty cool. Over there is a next to the barbecue, as it were, there is something relatively special which matches with that, which again we will cover in a lot more detail some point later down the line. We've got shelves and shelves and shelves of parts, and this is a small little bit. New compressor, so there's a new box there, that's going under there. And we're going to be joining the two together, so we have 200 litres. Moving down here, so that's not the wheel that goes with it, that's the one that came off here. This is again my friend's Mini. This is I think it's a 1990s or 1980s, I'd have to double check, but it's an old classic Mini. Plan for that is pretty special, so again we'll cover that one at another fun point. Here we have my Honda CBR 1000F. This is a 1987, which I quite like it. Let's get some light in here, that might help. So this gives you a slightly better view. This has had some work so far. We've had new clutch, brakes have all been taken apart, sandblasted, cleaned up. It's had a service, it's had kind of all that stuff done. Again, the plan with this is at some point to do carbon fibre fairings, so we're going to be making those. The wheels definitely need a good paint though, but it's got a Micron race exhaust. Somewhere I have a few other exhausts for it. We've got the beginning of our tool wall, which most of the tools are currently not on. We do have our sandblaster, and at the moment, if I can get back, we've got an old 1970s VW bus, which at the moment is undergoing some rust repairs, which on this side have been done, and then we're just on the final processing of it. And on this side we are in the process. We've taken out the big old patch in here, and we've just got to take, because as you can see, someone has done some repairs along here before, but there's a lot of holes, and the chances are there's probably a chunk of rust behind there too. Around here, eventually, this side is going to be the engine building side, and over there will be the fab side. But as you can see, everything's a bit all over the place currently, so it's not exactly as planned. This is the engine for the VT500 over there, and this is the engine for that KTM RC. We'll go into more of that in a later video, but we'll get there. These parts here are all for a bit of a special change that we're doing to that one over there. But again, I've got to finish a lot more stuff on it first. Parts washer and yeah, ultrasonic cleaner over there. We've got fab wheels there and everything, so it's getting there. But so the plan is really, this was the kind of the beginning of a new era for for me, having my own space to work in and actually being able to do the things I wanted to do. So this is taken on by myself and my mate. Hopefully means we can get more videos out, and some of them will be some more tutorials, some of them will just be some videos on some of the projects we're doing and some exciting things and that sort of stuff. So hopefully you guys stick around for it, and maybe a little slow off the bat, but hopefully you can bear with and enjoy what we're doing here. I appreciate watching, thank you very much, and see you in the next one.